Hey, so first, I think I've been calling you Natalia, and I bet your name is Natalia, right? Since it's Spanish. So sorry about that. Um, I'm bad at names. Also, I wanted you to send me the the actual the Grasshopper script file, not the Rhino file, because that's what we're having problems with. But let me just show you what I've been playing around with. I mean, I think it has to do with the path that you've got. I don't, and here's why I think that. So here is my path, and I just typed this in here. I haven't actually run a script with that path in it, right? And so as soon as I typed it in there, it created this folder, and it had the single IDF file, which is the Energy Plus file. So it's already run that without me doing anything. And then I've got that error here. But now if I run it, and if I have definitely have to have a location chosen. If I run it, it disappears. And now it populated this whole um, this folder with all these other files which it needs, and one of them is the CSR, which is what we're looking for. So if I delete this, and I come back here, and I'm just going to I'm going to delete this also. So I'm out here, um, and you see just right now that it just created an IDF file there. So that is the path there. So I'm going to delete that. If I'll put it back in, I'll put in PV1 and say, okay, that created PV1 over here, and um, but it only has the IDF file in it. So now if I come back here, and I have this error again, that is the one that, we can't find the CSR file because it's obviously not here. If I now run this, it fixes it. All right, it's gone and this is coming in. So I think you should play with that. Make sure that you have the right, because I know we saw files in your, but you weren't consciously creating them. So, and again, the same thing with, a lot of people have a ton of stuff in their desktop. So this is my desktop right now. I have nothing in here. I might, uh, you can't see it because it's on the other screen. But, I have some shortcuts. Maybe I can't actually do that in this video. I have some shortcuts and things in my desktop, um, but I don't have anything of, uh, to clutter it up. So I would suggest you clean up your desktop or put it somewhere else. Put it, but just create a place where it's very clear and do this test. Um, you know, I'll do it one more time. I'm going to delete this. If I now, I'm going to change this to PV2. So there's no PV2 over here. I come out of here. It created PV2 without me entering anything in. I didn't hit anything, and I've got the error message. If I run it, it's gonna and the IDF files in there. If I run it, it's gonna populate this with all these other files and fix that CSV. I mean the CSR error. So I think you should try that and see if you can figure it out yourself. How to get to clean up. I mean to figure out what the path problem is. Also, just whatever, when you have whatever you have that where to get it where you, or like right now, like we were saying, you have something like this, send it to me exactly like that. Just save it exactly, without changing anything, and let me look at it. All right, we'll get it figured out.